Today, my joy overflows for so many reasons, but I will single out just 3. First of all, the construction of this court provides one more instance of the positive attitude that His Excellency Governor Obaseki has towards all matters pertaining to the administration of justice and the rule of law in Edo State. Secondly, it is always a thing of joy when significant activities of impact occur during one's tenure. I'm therefore happy that the National Industrial Court has come to Benin at a time when I am the Attorney General of the state. Clearly, the Ministry of Justice is a major beneficiary of this generous act of His Excellency Godwin Obaseki. Even as I look forward to experiencing this great act of joy on several more occasions over the next year, as Your Excellency continues in his quest to ensure the comfort of all the levels of the judiciary. I'm sure, Your Excellency, I know we will be doing this all over the time. Thank you very much.
Expressing the gratitude of the bar in Edo and Delta State to the government of Edo State led by our cerebral governor, Godwin Obaseki, for realizing the dream of most lawyers in Edo and Delta State. I must say that before now, our journey has been a very harrowing one, in the sense that our story to the National Industrial Court in Akure has been one of death and kidnapping. The entire bar is grateful to the visionary leadership of the present governor of the state. When this governor leads the center stage of the Edo socio-economic and political affairs, and I believe that will be sometime in 2024, to leave behind a legacy of peace, service, and development to all generations of the youth.
Once there is employer-employee relationship, definitely, globally, at times there will be differences between the 2 or 3 and the trade unions. Definitely, these disputes have to be settled so that the economy of the state has to proceed and progress. This court will bring more industrial harmony to Benin City and Edo State in general, and as well, it will provide additional succor to the legal practitioners who normally travel to long distances like Akure, Asaba, Enugu, with the attendant problems, security problems. Now they will be here. The issues will be settled as fast as possible. It's fantastic and fabulous. It's a good building. We have 2 courts built by state governments for us in Nigeria of the 28, the River State and now the Edo State. And this is just a temporary court. We thank the governor and his team. And I will tell you, it's a great cooperation between the arms of government.
To have the National Industrial Court in Edo State is great development for the state. And we have brother judges around, and their specialization is different from what we have in the High Court. So their jurisdiction is different. But I mean, lawyers who write to court to say they're going to Akure or Enugu to attend to industrial matters will not have that difficulty. They are within the jurisdiction.
This premises is temporary. We expect that this court will be relocated from this location to its permanent site, which is a stone throw from here, within the next 3 years. We have secured the premises, and we've actually completed a design of the permanent site of the industrial court. My Lord, it is going to be the most well-situated industrial court in Nigeria. But this is work in progress, like I said. The reason why this is important for us is because of our aspiration for the state. Like I said, we desire, expect, and we're working towards making Edo a major industrial and economic hub. And as we expand economic activities and opportunities, like my Lord said, the President of the Industrial Court, you're bound to have employee-employer disputes. And as we speak, there are about 200 cases today relating to Edo State that have been adjudicated in Akure. That is without us having, major industries and, major companies here yet. By the time we begin to build out, you can imagine how many more of such cases will need to be dealt with. So having the presence of the industrial court here, the full complements, the judges, the courtrooms, the ADR center, we believe that will go a long way in helping resolve human resources issues, employee-employer relationships, and also enforcement of contracts as it relates to businesses. Well, like I've said, our aspiration is that within the next 5 years, in terms of GDP ranking in Nigeria, Edo should be number 2, which means that we will have to expand a lot of economic activities. It means providing a lot of infrastructure, particularly power, which we're working on. Roads, the very good educational system, well-trained technical manpower. You were with me at the Benin Technical College yesterday, and you saw what we're trying to do there. We want to have them across the state so that we can have a pool of well-trained, technically competent people. Those are the things companies, businesses are looking for. They want to locate where they find that there's enough resources, the raw materials, the people, the environments, the infrastructure. That is what we're trying to create in Edo State, and this is the judiciary and the judicial system is a key anchor to that dream. Like we normally say, this is just the beginning, so wait and see.